Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Today we'll be talking about this, teacher as a person in authority. Why is it important sa kada magtutudlo should know, understand na ang teacher is a person in authority. Under our revised penal code, under Article 152 and Commonwealth Act 578, teacher, professors, and supervisors are considered person in authority. What is the legal implication about this law to us, teachers? Dako kayo. Una, if any person, yung any person, maybe the parent, maybe your colleague, maybe relatives, or even our students directly attack us as teacher during performing our duty as a teacher, nagtudlo sa classroom or even outside the classroom, nag-supervise sa mga bata, sa any person na ning directly natog atake, pwede na to silang kasuhan og direct assault under Article 148 of the Revised Penal Code. Pwede gali resistance or disobedience. Nga naman, teacher, based on the law, is considered person in authority. Importante ni nato na makahibaw ta, nga naman, isip magtutudlo, usan ni sa ato ang proteksyon against any person who could harm us during performing our task. So hopefully this will help, and being person in authority, we can file a complaint against them. Thank you so much, and hopefully this will help. Please like and share.